What's going on, Nation family? Iamsickflowz back with another reaction video, and you see the title, boy. Today I'm reacting to Lynyrd Skynyrd, Free Bird. Okay, this song was requested by Emily, so shout outs to her for requesting this song. I have not heard this song at all, and I'm pretty sure I've never heard Lynyrd Skynyrd. She was shocked that I never did, so here we are. It's a 9-minute song, so I'm expecting greatness. Okay, and because of that, I do have my lighter here because it is fire or not. This is where we determine if the song is fire or not. It's that simple. Grab your lighter. And without further ado, let's get right into this video, boy. All right, guys, here we go. Lynyrd Skynyrd, Free Bird, the audio. Really question before I really started, are these all the members from the band? Because I count a total of 7 people in this picture. I can already tell it's gonna be one of those songs that has like a beautiful slow start instrumentally. Love the acoustic here. Okay, hold on. Before they get to singing, let me take it back really quick, man. Again, I'm not sure what I'm expecting here. This guy, when he came on the mic, he sounded beautiful already. And I'm really expecting greatness from this song because from the beginning, the instruments were amazing.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? Well, I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. If I stay here with you, girl.
Ooh, okay.
Things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now.
Okay, so I do see where it's going like now with the title Free Bird. And I feel like a lot of people can relate to this right here, right? Like having to leave somebody behind because you want to experience the world or you got things to do. I'm loving this guy's vocal. What's his name? Let me know in the comments.
And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. The Lord knows I can't change.
Oh, this is so beautiful, man. This is a beautiful part right here. I also love how he said, like, you know, this bird you cannot change. Like, you can't change me, baby. You can't change me, girl. I'm a free bird. Hey, what's the guitarist's name? This is going crazy good.
Bye, bye, baby, it's the sweet love.
It sounds like it may be the same singer right now. I'm not sure if this band only has one vocalist or several, because again, I do see about 7 people here. Let me take it back.
It's the sweet love. just a bird now.
Ooh, I'm loving this, man.
And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change.
Woo!
And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change.
Oh my God!
Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change.
The switch up!
Won't you fly free, bird, yeah.
Hey! This is fire! What is the guitarist's name? Please tell me. Please tell me this guitarist's name. Oh! Another change up! Another change up! Oh my God. Yo, no, 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 no. Bro. Oh my. Yo, this gotta be one of the best songs with a guitar in the world. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, this shit makes me want to play the guitar, man. Drums now. Oh my God, no way. There's just no way. There's no way. Oh my. Oh my. Yo, this is like so good. I am so mad that none of y'all ever have requested this to me. I'm out. I'm out. That's the outro. That's the outro. Let me know what other Lynyrd Skynyrd song I should be. Y'all know what to do, man.